Hello and welcome. Yes, first I have to apologize for the recent videos with bad sounding, very low sound, and the microphone was not close enough and everything. So now you see here I got my studio microphone up here on an arm, so it catch my voice better. Yeah, is it good? Is it okay? Please comment and give me a thumbs up and likes and everything. You can also see here I have my Instagram there. Yeah, Jojo Samot. It's my Thomas backwards actually. And then YouTube, yeah, you know the YouTube, and my website over there. Go see it if you want to see my pictures, and yeah. Here is my solid, nice Bronica that I still have not fixed. Okay, I could push my cam a little bit backwards so I get more in sharp here. See from 1972, as I showed in another video. I have to go to Bergen to Stasi. This Italian guy runs a shop there. But I have still my of course, my Hasselblad 500 cm with this 150 lens. I have to make sure the sync output is adjusted correctly to work with my new Bowens lamps I use here on the modeling light to get proper light. I have another lens for it, 80mm. It's very, very good. So with Nikon 135 film f100, this one is very it's very good for the film. Empty, it says empty. It is. And the Sync 200 Sigma 85mm, actually very good for portraits. I think maybe I should swap this to an art from Sigma. 85mm is very nice for portraits actually, for the digital or 35mm. Okay, stay cool. Cheers. Yes.